taking Tylenol is not good.
Freedom of speech is welcome, but when that freedom creates headlines, and these headlines lead to official statements that are incorrect and potentially dangerous, professionals in the field must step in. I'm talking about the recent claims by the US government linking the gestational use of acetaminophen, otherwise known as Tylenol or paracetamol, to the development of autism in infants. Claims that science has no credible evidence for, and yet government officials with no medical backgrounds choose to come up with fear-provoking statements. Statements that are not only dangerous to the pregnant women, but also to the babies they're carrying. Listen, people can have their own opinions, and science can change if we gather more data. However, we cannot shift a global medical consensus by selecting a few studies, especially if these studies show a correlation and not a causation. Two totally different things, and I'm happy to make a video about that later on. Leading healthcare organizations such as the WHO have world-renowned scientists who are experts in analyzing the data holistically and bringing into the table the totality of evidence, without underreporting or exaggerating what we know. This is what medicine is all about. Providing the public with informed decisions based on data and based on what we know. If we're not comfortable enough that a specific medication is safe based on the data we have, we will say it. And yes, there might be some degree of corruption in the pharmaceutical industry, but this is true for any other industry as well. And as a naturopathic doctor, I can tell you that the multi-billion-dollar natural health products industry is even more corrupt. They sell a lot of non-proven remedies just to make profit. So overlooking the greater good because some executive at some company bribed a regulatory body to speed up the process of drug approval can be very dangerous. If trust is taken away from our global medical authorities, who do we put our trust in them? I'm hoping not an online influencer who claims to have the answer for all our problems under the name of science. Poor science, that is. To conclude, politics and medicine should never mix. And just like what we observed during the COVID pandemic, where the US administration made claims about hydroxychloroquine being an effective treatment for the coronavirus with no solid evidence whatsoever, and later debunked, we're unfortunately now seeing misleading and dangerous statements made by the US Secretary of Health and Human Services. So please be safe, be responsible, and most importantly, be critical.